Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Anker MagGo Power Bank 5K Slim. 5,000 milliamp hours. Qi 2 certified, MagSafe compatible. So I've actually been using this one already for the last few months, so it's already unboxed. I'm sorry. I really needed it, but I'll show you what it looks like anyways. So, of course, wow. So it's already unboxed, like I mentioned. Came sealed like this. The box had these two pull tabs here. This was in this plastic wrap here. So imagine, brand new. And then, this is what it looks like. So it's really nice. MagSafe here. It's a little dirty because, like I said, I've been using this, heavily been using this. Anker here. Very thin. I'm very impressed with how thin it is. USB-C here to charge it, and tells you how full the charge is when you press this button. So it's really nice, really thin, light, portable. Yeah, I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get this from, and let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. All right, everyone, hope you're doing well. Take care. Later.